Near the end of last week's tutorial, I mentioned that WD-40 should never be used as a chain lubricant. Some people wanted to know what I meant by that. Here's an explanation. WD-40 was developed in the 1950s to prevent corrosion in electronic circuit boards. It quickly became a household item as people found thousands of other uses for it as a cleaner, rust prevention agent, and squeak stopper. It also works wonders as a light lubricant on small items like hinges, locks, and toys. Bicycle chains, on the other hand, are far too heavy and fast-moving for the lubricating elements in WD-40 to have any effect at all. As a matter of fact, using WD-40 on your chain will actually strip away existing lubricants, leaving your drivetrain metal on metal. Basically, using this stuff on your chain is actually worse than using no lubricant at all. Obviously, I would recommend using chain oil purchased from your local bike shop. Just go down there and ask them for any regular waterproof chain oil. It shouldn't be any more than $10 or $12, and it's the best thing you could buy for your bike. We'll talk more about lubricants later.